Take a look at this channel right here called the Ying Jokes. Now this channel has actually blown up in a matter of 2 months just by re-uploading content from this particular platform right here, which is actually called TikTok. They're actually going to re-uploading TikTok content on their platforms, and they're actually going to making a lot of money with this particular strategy, because if you do analyze the platform using the social blade, you can actually do see that the platform or the YouTube account actually makes about $3,600 to this particular amount right here, just between these two amounts right here, every single month. And that's a huge amount of traffic or a huge amount of money they're actually making. I'm going to walk you through how you can do such kind of strategies, right from creating your YouTube channel to going on to creating such kinds of videos that you can get from TikTok and re-uploading that on your platform and make money with this strategy. And if you are actually new to my channel, you may want to hit the like button to the video, subscribe to my channel OJ Marketing, and turn on your notification bells on all to always get alerted whenever I post some cool and amazing videos to help boost your income online, because I generally create videos on ways to make money online. Now once you've actually done that, we can actually head right ahead into the video of today. So first of all guys, you may want to just simply head on to platforms like YouTube to go on to creating an account. It's quite easy to create an account on YouTube or to create a channel. Now you may be wondering, how do you actually go on to get in your channel name and your channel details? Now you can just simply utilize platforms like ChatGPT. Here you can take a look at the question I asked ChatGPT to generate 5 names for your YouTube ASMR channel. And if you do put in something like this, ChatGPT is going to come up with some cool and amazing response, of which you can then go on to selecting a number which you want to just simply utilize, maybe a name which you want to use. As you can see, I asked ChatGPT, I choose number 5, generate a short description for the channel, and ChatGPT actually did that. What I'm going to do right now is to just simply copy the name which I actually want right here. Once I copy the name, I'm going to head on to my studio, YouTube studio, by heading on to the studio.youtube.com. Then you want to come around to this section that says customization, select that, go on to this section that says basic info, where you can actually go on to editing the type name. Right now you can go on to also editing the description in this section. Once you've done that, we also are actually going to need to edit our profile picture or our profile logo or our YouTube channel banner. So you can actually edit that to your preference. To edit that guys, you want to just simply create one with this particular platform right here called canva.com. What you need to do is to come onto Canva right now. Maybe I can just simply go into searching for YouTube logo right here. If you do search for that, it's going to bring you to a page similar to this. You can then just simply go on to selecting any one of this logo of your choice right now, or template. Click on customize template. It's actually going to go on to taking you to a new page where you can just simply edit that particular template to fit your preference. As you can see, you could just simply edit virtually anything in this section. As you can see this text right here, I can just simply change this. Maybe I want to change this to OJ, and I can just simply change this other text right here to something of my preference right now. Now if I do come right now and select that, as you can see, I can just simply select that to marketing. So as you can see right now, this has actually been changed to fit into my channel details. So you can just simply edit. Once you are done editing that to your preference, click on share, and you want to just simply click on download, and you can then download this on your device. And you can also go on to doing similar kind of stuff for your YouTube banner. So you want to come right here, search for the YouTube banner, of which you'll be able to see a lot of templates that you can just simply go on to utilizing. Edit a template to your preference and just simply head back to your page right now, that is your channel, and go to changing the logo and also the banner image. Once you do that, you want to click on publish to effect that. Now you may be wondering how to actually create such kinds of videos right now that you actually did see earlier on TikTok right here. Now to create such kind of videos, you may want to just simply head on to Pinterest right here first of all, to actually go on to gaining some cool and amazing content. Now you can see right here that from Pinterest, you can just simply search for Pinterest stories. You'll be able to see a lot of cool and amazing posts. Now supposing I want to just simply select a very cool post right here, I can just simply select a very cool post such as this one. If I just select this post right now, what I want to do is just simply to edit this particular or screenshot this particular post. So I'm just going to go into reducing the size of the font right now so that I can actually get a better view. So guys, I'm actually going to leave this as it is, then go on to screenshotting this page right here. So So once you actually do screenshot this right now, I'm just gonna grab only this section having the write up, and if I do screenshot only that particular section right there, what I'm gonna do next is to just simply come onto my device and go on to opening the Paint application. Once the application has been opened successfully, all you need to do is just simply to paste in by clicking on Ctrl V, and that particular image will be pasted automatically. Now what you actually need to do right now, as you can see, this is the image right here. You can just simply grab hold of the image right now. Now you could just simply edit this if you want to edit that. Maybe if you do screenshot the entire page, you can just simply crop to only get this section. Now I can just simply go on to clicking on save after this has actually been done. Once I do click on save, I can just simply save this image on my device. So once I actually do successfully save the image on my device right now, as you can see, the image has been successfully saved. I'm going to head back to my Chrome browser, and you want to just simply search for the image to text converter. If you just search for that, I'm just going to keep on scrolling through until you can see this OCR2 edit, and if you do select that right now, I'm just going to select that particular option. So what I'm going to do right here is to just simply upload the file or the image. So once that's actually been successfully uploaded, all you need to do next is to just simply click on start. Now you want to select the download selected. When that has been downloaded, open that particular file on your device, and here's the text right here. So I'm just going to highlight the text and copy the entire text. When the text has actually been copied, we're going to head on to a video voiceover tool that you can just simply utilize to convert text to video. If you do come onto 11labs.io, you want to go onto the text to speech right now option. You want to just simply paste in your text right here in this section. You can just simply go on to changing the voice right here. As you can see, there are various voices you can actually do select via this particular section, but I actually do prefer Adam. You can select any voice of your choice. You could go on to editing the voice settings. Once you're done, click on generate speech, and your voiceover will be generated, after which you want to just simply download that on your device. Next, we actually need to come onto TikTok, and you want to just simply search for something like relaxing ASMR videos, and you can just simply go on to checking out any of these videos. Maybe if I do come onto this section, I'm going to just simply going to select this video right now. You want to copy the link to this video. After the link has actually been copied, I'm just going to go onto this particular platform called the snaptik.app. Now if you come onto the platform, you want to paste in that particular link right here and click on download, and you'll be able to download that particular video. Now that video is what is going to just simply be running on the background image right there. Then we can actually go on to editing our video right now. Since we've gotten the voiceover, we've gotten the video that will actually be on the background, we can then just simply go on to merging that with a cool video editing tool called CapCut. Now you can utilize the CapCut right now on your mobile devices, be it a laptop or a mobile phone. You can just simply head on to Google and just simply search for CapCut download for PC to download that on your device. Now once that has actually been downloaded on my device right now, as you can see, this is the CapCut application, of which I can just simply click on new project. As you can see guys, my CapCut page is actually open, of which I'm just going to click on this import option to import both audio and video I want to utilize for this particular project. Now once I do click on that right now, it's going to bring me right here to this particular download section, and you can actually go on to checking out both the audio and video content right here. So I'm just going to click on both of them and actually import both of them onto this particular section. As you can see right now guys, that both are actually inserted. What I'm going to do first of all is to just simply drag and drop the voice over. Now once the voiceover has actually been inserted, since we're actually utilizing an AI voiceover, we just want to make sure we actually cut out the spaces in between sentences right now for this particular voiceover. So what I'm going to do first of all is to actually bring this particular content or this particular section to this sec. I'm going to click on this and actually delete this section. So you want to just simply do this right now for the entirety of this particular voiceover right here. You want to just simply remove all these spaces right now where the AI is not actually talking. By removing these spaces, you are actually going to be making your video about 100 times much more engaging right now. So once you actually do cut them guys, you just want to go on to merging them back together as one, just by moving this like this. And if you successfully do that right here, this is how it's actually going to look like. So you want to do that for the entirety of everything, and once you're done with that, you can then just simply go on to adding your video content. Now once you do adding the video content right here, you may want to just simply go on to adding a subtitle for that. right now. To add a subtitle for the audio content, you can then just simply, maybe I'm just going to click on the video first to remove the video volume. So if you select the video, I'm just going to go into the audio section and decrease the volume right now to actually eliminate that. Once that has actually been removed, I'm just going to go on to selecting this text effect right now, or the text option. If you just select that, select the auto caption to actually go into adding captions. You want to select your language, click on create, and your video will actually be analyzed, and in a matter of some seconds or a minute right there, your captions will actually be added to the video. So as you can see right here, the captions has actually been added to the video right now. I can just simply go into increasing the font size of that right here. As you can see that in this editing section, you may want to just simply come right here, change the style right now, or you may actually going to go on to changing the font type right now. As you can see, there are a lot of different font types you can just simply utilize in this section. So you can just simply go into selecting the one suitable to you. Once you're done, edit the fonts to your preference. You can just simply go into selecting the animation you want to utilize for that particular font right there. Or I'm just going to come onto the in section right now, and maybe I want to just simply select something like fade in, or simply a simple stroke in right now. I'm just going to select the fade in option, and you're going to see how cool that actually looks right here for this section, or for that particular font. This is how it's going to be fading in. So once that has actually been done, maybe I want to just simply select a filter to actually make the video look quite better. I'm going to come onto the filter section, and you want to just simply scroll through and select a very cool filter. So I'm just going to select this clear filter. I'm going to drag that and drop that in this section. Then you want to just simply stretch this to fill the entirety of the video. Once you're done with the video and you're done editing this to actually something quite cool, you just need to go on to clicking on the export option at the top right corner of your screen. Click on that, and you can then just simply export the video on your device. And you may be wondering why we didn't add a voiceover, because if we actually do add a voiceover, I've noticed for some time that platforms like YouTube and TikTok and other platforms actually prefer utilizing videos, or they actually prefer promoting videos that are actually having their musics on them. So instead of actually inserting a voiceover, we're first of all just simply going to export this video on our device. So I'm just going to go on to selecting the location to export the video, and just simply start the exporting process. Now once the video has been exported, we're going to head on to completing the rest of this particular strategy utilizing our mobile device, which is our phone right now.
Now take a look at this, guys. You just need to go onto your Google Drive and start downloading that exact same footage which you uploaded on Google Drive. As you can see, the downloading process has begun on my device. Now once that has successfully been downloaded, you just need to go onto YouTube, create an account on YouTube, and you want to just simply go on to uploading that video. Now you can see, guys, that I'm in the uploading process right here. You just need to go on to uploading that particular video. Click on next. You want to just simply select the top add sound button at the top, and you can just simply see a lot of cool and amazing music available right here. Now these are most of the top sounds available on YouTube right now that can actually help you promote your videos, because utilizing YouTube sounds will actually help you go on to promoting your videos better, because YouTube tends to promote videos with their sounds better. So go on to selecting one of these sounds right now. Once you successfully select one, you want to just simply decrease the background music volume and increase the original sound right there. When that has been done, click on next. And once you do click on next, guys, you just need to go into adding your details, such as your title of your video, and you want to just simply add a description right there if you want, maybe a caption for your shot. And once you're done with that, just upload that shot on this platform, and that will be uploaded, and you can start just simply utilizing that to get cool traffic to your videos right now. So that's it for now. I do hope the video was helpful. If yes, don't forget to hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.